Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients and prepping them for a smooth cooking flow. Use 8 ounces of mixed mushrooms, 1 medium onion diced, and 2 cloves garlic minced. Trim and slice mushrooms to about 1/4 inch thickness for even browning. Measure 2 tablespoons butter, 1 quart vegetable or chicken broth, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme leaves, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Have a fine sieve or immersion blender ready, and a cutting board with a sharp knife. Heat a heavy pot over medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons butter. Add diced onion and sauté until translucent, then add sliced mushrooms and cook until they are golden and have released their liquid, about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in minced garlic and 1 teaspoon thyme, pour in 1 quart of broth, and bring to a gentle simmer for 12 to 15 minutes to concentrate flavor. Remove a portion and blend 2/3 for a silky body, or use an immersion blender directly, then return to the pot and stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream. Taste and finish the soup with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, adjusting gradually until balanced. Reheat gently over low heat to avoid breaking the cream. Serve hot with a drizzle of extra cream, chopped fresh parsley, and optional toasted croutons or a tablespoon of truffle oil for aroma. For storage, cool to room temperature for no more than 2 hours. Then refrigerate up to 4 days in an airtight container or freeze up to 3 months. Thaw overnight in the refrigerator and reheat slowly until piping hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.